Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Maggie. Today I'm going to be doing a really exciting and fun video. I'm going to be doing a mini bag unboxing for you guys on the first one 2024, so super excited about that. So if you guys are big fans of Jacquemus, then keep on watching because I'm going to be unboxing my cute little pink Jacquemus bag for you guys today. I mean, first off, like, I love the brand history, been doing some research, just been on TikTok researching about it, but I also love Jacquemus's like marketing team. They're so creative. I love their marketing campaigns, especially on social media platforms. It's just their way of promoting their products is just caters to the Gen Z or just millennial and Gen Z demographic, and I just think it's really cool. And their brand team is very creative and they do lots of different things that not many other brands do, and I applaud them for that. But I also love their styles, of course. I have my item. Wait, I'm holding her backwards. This is it. I'm so excited, guys. That was such a fake unboxing, but I've actually used it like once or twice. And it is so adorable. Like, this is just me in a bag, if you guys know what I mean. Obviously, you can read the little thingy on Essence, which is where I got it from, back in January, and it's finally time to use it because the weather permits. Because she's very small. It's a very small bag. I do have the Le Chiquito, I think is what it's called. I have the black one, black and silver, which I think I've done a video for. Have I? Yeah, I think I did a video on my black mini Chiquito like Jacquemus bag, and that literally fits nothing. What I have to do with that is put my cards, like minus a card holder, minus the wallet, in that bag, and then you're pretty much done with the room. Maybe with the exception of like a lip gloss. I don't even know about that, but it's still cute, so I don't regret it at all. I think like Jacquemus is just such a cute brand. Let's get into the actual item. Been rambling for 5 minutes, oh my gosh. This is the Jacquemus Pink La Choo Choo, oh my god, La Bambino bag. And I love it so much. It's the perfect size. It's the most beautiful light pink color. Like, it's just me in a bag. I mean, I love, 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 love the shade of pink. It's absolutely gorgeous. You guys know how obsessed I am with like light pink. I mean, I'm just looking at my coffee table. Pink. So I'm a big fan of pink, you guys know, and so this bag is just perfect. And previously as well, like before, I think this came out end of 2023. So prior to this like launch of this color, it was always like gold hardware, which I don't really love. Like, as you can tell, like I only wear silver hardware jewelry and just accessories because I think it's cooler, matches my skin tone better, fits with my vibe better. And so I never felt gravitated to get any of this like Bambino style Jacquemus bag because it was always in gold hardware. Although the colors are cool, yeah, but I don't like gold. And so when this came out, I was like, I literally need it. And I'll definitely be linking a bunch of these in the description box for you guys because, I mean, get it when you can. They also have the cherry red color, which I think is like obviously a lot more popular than the pink. Yeah, pale pink, and obviously there was like the red one. I think the red one is also beautiful. It's gorgeous. It's got silver hardware. I love it so much, but it's definitely just not me. Like, not as me as this. And then it has like a little card holder in the back too, but I obviously don't know how you're gonna fit anything in there. My one issue with this bag is that it's like a little bit hard. Like, I think the leather is like still trying to wear in or whatever. Like, it's hard to like lift up. Like, you kind of really have to pull on it if I want to get my stuff out. So I mean, yeah, this fits my wallet perfectly. It fits like a lip gloss. It'd probably fit my keys if I wanted to. It fits all the essentials that you need. I don't have the crossbody strap on, but obviously comes with the crossbody, which is perfect. And so I guess I can just kind of read some details of this bag. So it is calf skin. It's a shoulder bag in pink, logo plaque at face, got a shoulder strap, patch pocket at back face, fold over flap, silver tone hardware, my favorites, and it's made in Italy. So we love that. So that's just everything about this bag. I just want to do like a mini unboxing for you guys. I don't have too much to say about wear and tear right now because I've had it just not for that long, but if you guys want to see a review, then definitely let me know, because I would love to do a review on this. And like, guys, I love this color so much that I'm like, let me look at the other styles. Like, I love this bag so much that I would probably get it in like every single style, just because like, look at that, she is adorable. All right guys, that is so much for my unboxing for today. Love talking about this adorable bag. Like, it just made me fall in love with her even more. I'll be linking them, of course, always in the down bar for you guys to check out. And also don't forget to check me out on my other social media platforms in the description box as well. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a big thumbs up if you did. Thank you guys so much for watching once again, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys. Mwah.